Hello my awesome viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my kitchen. Happy Tuesday. Guy, I just want to say a massive thank you for all my lovely gifts what I got for my birthday. My birthday was last week Wednesday. I was 60 years old, and guy, I've been rotten spoiled. I went out for a meal with all my family and friends, and we have a blast of a time. It's a time to remember. So guys, I'm just here to tell you thank you so much for all the beautiful gifts what I've got, and all the lovely message what you guys leave on Facebook and on YouTube. It brings tears of joy to my eyes. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are new to my channel, I welcome you all. Please join in with my YouTube family and friends and enjoy my video. Guy, today it was a lovely day. The sun was shining and I was really drenching for a nice cold drink. So I decided to get my blender out and started blending up. So as you can see guys, there's some juice what I've blended up right here, and in here I've got watermelon and strawberries. I've blended them all together. I did not add any ingredients for sweet for taste because it's already tasty, because all the strawberry what I use on the watermelon contain its own sugar. So I did not have to add any, but when I do add, I only add a small amount of honey for taste, right? And over here I will be doing, it's all ready for blending, and I will be doing papaya and mango with a hint of ginger. And I'm just gonna blend this now. And this juice what I've already made, why I made it and I did not show you what I was doing is because I've already uploaded this juice. So if you don't know how to make this juice, have a browse through my YouTube channel and you will come across this video. And this saved me time from showing you from start to finish because I've already uploaded a video. So let's start blending my mango and papaya juice. I am just going to switch my blender on and let's get blended. That did not take long guys, and it's all blended as you can see, and it's looking really good. So I am now going to switch my blender off and then start straining. So I'm just going to give my bowl a rinse. Just a quick rinse. And let's start straining. Before I start straining, guys, I'm just going to show you how thick and creamy my juice is looking. It's all blended really nicely, and my papaya and my mango combined together very nicely. So I'm about to strain my juice now. Guys, I've just started straining my juice and it's looking really good. And you can see, as you can see, it's very thick and it's very creamy, and this is what we're aiming for. We don't want it to be too runny. If it's too runny, then it won't be very nice. So we have to make sure it's thick, creamy, and full of flavor. Guys, this juice, you can take it to work, you can take it to school, you can take it to college and enjoy it on a very hot and sunny day. So guys, my drink is all ready and it's looking really good. My mango and my papaya juice. And I'm just gonna serve it over ice. Wow. Wow. And that's my melon, watermelon, and strawberry juice. I'm just gonna serve it over ice. Wow, look at that guy. Ain't that looking amazing? So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna have a taste and tell you guys what I think about my juice. So let's get tasting. Very nice. All the fruits combined together, and it is really thick and it's rich and it's very tasty. This is what you want to quench your thirst on a very hot and sunny day. So guys, please drink with me. Very nice, very tasty, very healthy. Please drink with me. Thank you guys. So guys, if you like my video, give it a couple thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. And thank you so much guys, and love you all, and see you soon in my next video. Peace, love, and I'm out.